So should you be building out a Kajabi mini course or a Kajabi full course? In this lesson, I'm going to walk you through the differences between the two and which one you should start depending on your requirements. So hey there, Tim Peakman here, and I am a Kajabi hero. I'm a Kajabi fan. The definition of a hero is anyone that's earned over $1,000 on their platform. And I've been using this platform for the last few years, building not one, but multiple online businesses and helping clients build theirs using this awesome platform. And that's why I've created this program, How to Create a Kajabi Course Step by Step, to help people like you actually get started on this platform and get up and running with your first online course. But before we dive into any of the training, I first of all want to make you an offer. I want to offer you 30 days extended free trial of the Kajabi platform. That's over double the 14 days free trial available to the public just by using my link. Yes, it is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you go over those 30 days. But you can simply get access, go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And as a thank you from me, I'm going to grant you free access to my program, Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do if I was starting a new Kajabi account today. What I would do first, second, and third to open my account up and set it up in the right way, ready for scale. But if you continue to be a paying customer of Kajabi and go past those 30 days, reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. I will also grant you some awesome sales page templates. These are the sales page templates I use in my Kajabi account. You can simply download them and upload them into your account and use them in your business. But that's it for now. Let's dive straight on into the training. Hope you enjoy. So here we are back inside my partner's account, and we've built this course, Handstand Mastery. We've got the structure, we've got the title, the description, and we've got the artwork in here. So another question I get asked is, should I be launching a mini course or should I be launching a full flagship course? So that is entirely up to you, depending on what stage of your journey that you're at. But the main difference is just the volume or the amount of content that you have. So if we just take a look at this, where we're at in building out this program, we have lessons nestled under modules here. But if you just had this is an example, I would say, of a mini course. We've got 4 modules and 3 lessons in each. So I would call this a mini course. If I wanted to make this into a flagship course, what I could do is add content. I could add sub modules, and in each sub module, I could go deeper into the modules. So it would be your modules, then your sub modules. But what I would then try and do is add more content into each module. So it would look, when you clicked on view the course, you just see the actual module titles, not the whole content, because it can get quite long if it's a full flagship course. So in order to do that, I would then go back into your customization, and in order just to see the categories, you go into customize, and again you can pick loads of different themes here, but I'm just going to click on this one. And if you go into product syllabus, make sure that it's at the category level. So if you click save and then preview, this is now what people are going to see. So if we had this program was, for example, 8 modules, and in each module there was like 10 or 12 lessons, this is probably the first page that you want them to see. You want them to see the modules rather than the modules and all of the lessons or the subcategories, because it could get a bit overwhelming. This is a nice way of nestling your modules, so when they click into them, each module, they then see exactly what is in there. So this might have 8, 10, 12 lessons if it was a meaty course, a full flagship course. But as this is a mini course, this example, I would say make sure posts is on so they can actually see the entirety of the course and they can go into each lesson. So it'll look more like this. You go in and you can see each post, go in and have a look at each lesson, click play, and then go through it. So that's the main difference between a mini course or a flagship course, a full Kajabi course, and how to actually use the structure to either nestle them under modules or actually have the full lesson layout. So that's it. Hopefully you found value in this training and you can actually take action on something. If you haven't yet, open your Kajabi account, head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, Get 30 days free and take it for a spin and start building out your course today. And I look forward to seeing you on the next training.